Shocking confession from a Pennsylvania newlywed. The so-called female Craigslist killer now claims to have murdered 22 people across the country. ABC's Mara Schiavocampo has the details.
She's a petite, baby-faced teen, now claiming to be one of the country's deadliest serial killers. 19-year-old newlywed and mother Miranda Barber could be facing the death penalty for what police call a thrill kill. Police say in November, Miranda Barber and 22-year-old Elliot Barber, her husband of just 3 weeks, lured their victim on Craigslist by posting an ad for sex in exchange for money, and then murdered 42-year-old Troy LaFerrara in their car. Now, in a new jailhouse interview with a local Pennsylvania paper, Barber has confessed to murdering LaFerrara and claims to have killed nearly 24 more across the country, starting at just 13 years old when she joined a satanic cult, saying, quote, "When I hit 22, I stopped counting."
She was very meek, she was very mild, she was very soft-spoken, and she was very matter-of-fact.
In the interview, Barber also says she has only killed, quote, bad people. Now, investigators have to decide if she's seeking redemption or just attention.
You would be skeptical. So you would allow her to provide details, locations, dates, names, and see if you can corroborate what she's telling you.
For Good Morning America, Mara Schiavocampo, ABC News, New York.